Welcome to the third video in a 10-part series on kitchen planning and design for your Canberra kitchen renovation. If you like my channel, subscribe and also click the bell to be notified of videos as we release them. In a moment I am going to talk about space planning for kitchens, covering kitchen workflows and traffic flows. This is the stage of the project where we think about how work and traffic should move within and through the kitchen. Others entering or utilizing the kitchen space should not distract the cook, hence the kitchen layout should be properly arranged. A smooth workflow and a clear traffic flow must be planned into the design. Ignoring this during the early phases of planning will result in a reduction in the overall usefulness and effectiveness of the kitchen workspace. When designing a kitchen, it is critical to choose the layout that will work best for both the workflow and the surrounding environment, as well as the budget. Now would be a good time to review video 2, if you haven't already done so. Our goal is to create a kitchen that is more than just aesthetically pleasing. This is good, but it also allows for efficient work and traffic flow. Form and function must complement one another. Another key aspect is to determine whether the primary cook is left-handed or right-handed, as this will have an impact on how people navigate the kitchen space. A well-planned kitchen necessitates 5 clearly defined work areas or zones, which will dictate the work sequence and traffic flow in a logical order. This sequencing allows for a more fluid transition from one zone to the next in the order in which the functions are typically performed. A typical kitchen workflow is as follows: purchased groceries and supplies are brought into the kitchen and placed in the food storage area to be stored. This area is known as the food storage zone. The food is then moved from the food storage area to the sink and other food preparation areas, which are referred to as the food preparation zone. The main food preparation zone is usually between the sink and the cooktop, but the space between the sink and the refrigerator is also considered prime for preparing fresh food. Following that, activity moves from the food preparation zone to the cooking center and then to the adjacent food serving zone. The cleanup zone is where activities such as storing leftover food in the refrigerator and pantry, disposing of waste, and washing up and/or packing the dishwasher take place. The cook will generally spend the most time in the food preparation zone in the vicinity of the sink and, secondly, in the cooktop work area. To ensure freedom of movement, it is essential that main work areas are not divided by tall units, as this will impede traffic as well as impede line of sight from one area to the next. Appliance selection will also be critical to the space planning and workflow processes. Today's kitchens include both traditional appliances and newer additions such as wine fridges, steam ovens, and espresso machines. Clearances. Good space planning will ensure that the area is a safe place to work and facilitate smooth and unobstructed movement by allowing adequate space for walking, reaching, stepping back, bending, crouching, etc. Thanks for watching this video about kitchen workflows and traffic flows. For your kitchen renovation in Canberra, or for your new home.
If you found it useful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
In the next video we will talk about the elements and principles of design. Look for the link below to subscribe to the full series to be sent to your inbox.